All right, friends, today we are going to be working on a rainbow, and the purpose of this rainbow is we are going to be learning about rainbow order. So the colors of the rainbow always go in the same order, and so it's important to remember what order those colors are in. So today we're going to start with our name on the back of our paper. So when you get your paper, you need to make sure that you write your name on one side, and in art we always write our name on the back and then turn it over so that we have a nice clean piece of paper here in the front. We are using oil pastels today, and oil pastels are a little bit tricky. They work just like crayons, but they are made out of oil, so sometimes they kind of get a little bit messy on your fingers. You need to make sure that you are not making messes on purpose. You should never be rolling them or drawing on yourself, because you will make a big giant mess. So to start today, we are going to start with our first color of the rainbow, which is red. So we are going to make a large half circle line that arches from one side of our paper over to the other. Next, we're going to go to our next color, which is orange. So I'm going to leave a space, a pretty big space, and then I'm going to put my next color. The reason we are leaving a space is that we're actually going to be painting in this empty space. So we want to make sure that we're leaving it so that we have room to paint. So the next color after red and orange will be yellow. So I'm going to take my yellow oil pastel, I'm going to leave a space and make that same curved line all the way over to yellow. After yellow, we're going to need green. Now in our oil pastels, we actually have two different kinds of green, a light green and a dark green. It doesn't matter which one you choose as long as it is green. And we're going to put our arched line or curved line here. After green, we will have blue. And after blue, we will have purple. In the rainbow, there is indigo and violet. Indigo and violet are both kind of blue-purple colors. So we do not have an indigo color in our oil pastel, so we will go straight from blue to purple. So once we have all of these with our spaces left in between, we are going to use the blue oil pastel, and we're going to start coloring in the sky around our rainbow. And actually, we need to make one more. We're going to go back with our red, because this space will be purple, this space will be blue and green and yellow and orange. We need to make one more. And we're going to use our red so that we have a space for our red paint. So we have two reds, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Then we're ready. We're going to start coloring in with our blue oil pastel the sky around. And we're going to go right up to our first red arch, but not over it. Color right around here, all the way over. But remember, we're not coloring over our rainbow. Color in all of this area. And it does not matter if you're leaving white. Normally I will tell you to make sure that you're not leaving any white space, but with oil pastel today, that is not going to matter. So we're just going right over the top. And then we have to come back in the middle of our rainbow. And we're going to color up to the purple line and inside here. Just like this. And that is all for our rainbow today. The next time you come, we are going to be using our rainbow order, but we will be using watercolor to paint the rainbow order of our rainbow as well. So we will work on the painting part next time. Today, our goal is to get all of the oil pastel done. So remember, we have 2 red arches, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.